Please be ready for a dictation from a write-up on Preamble of the Constitution of India, taken from the website jagranjosh.com. The material can be suitable for DDC skill and any other skill. 5 seconds. Start. The preamble is called the introduction letter of the Indian Constitution. The preamble was amended by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1976, in which 3 new words, socialist, secular, and integrity, were added. The preamble serves as an introduction to the Constitution. It secures justice, liberty, equality to all the citizens of India and promotes fraternity among the people. The preamble states, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. The 4 components of the preamble are: 1. The preamble indicates that the source of authority of the Constitution lies with the people of India. 2. It declares India to be a socialist, secular, democratic, and a republic nation. 3. It states its objectives to secure justice, liberty, equality to all citizens and promote fraternity to maintain unity and integrity of the nation. 4. It mentions the date November 26, 1949, on which the Constitution was adopted. The key words in the preamble are explained below. Sovereign. The preamble proclaims that India is a sovereign state. Sovereign means that India has its own independent authority and it is not a dominion or dependent state of any other external power. The legislature of India has the powers to enact laws in the country subject to certain limitations imposed by the Constitution. Socialist. The word socialist was added to the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment in 1976. Socialism means the achievement of socialist ends through democratic means. India has adopted democratic socialism. Democratic socialism holds faith in a mixed economy where both private and public sectors coexist side by side. It aims to end poverty, ignorance, disease, and inequality of opportunity. Secular. The word secular was incorporated in the preamble by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment in 1976. The term secular in the Constitution of India means that all the religions in India get equal respect, protection, and support from the state. Article 25 to 28 in Part 3 of the Constitution guarantee freedom of religion as a fundamental right. Democratic. The term democratic indicates that the Constitution has established a form of government that gets its authority from the will of the people expressed in an election. The preamble resolves India to be a democratic country. That means the supreme power lies with the people. In the preamble, the term democracy is used for political, economic, and social democracy. The responsible representative government, universal adult franchise, one vote, one value, an independent judiciary, etc. are the features of Indian democracy. Republic. In a republic, the head of the state is elected by the people directly or indirectly. In India, the president is the head of the state. The president of India is elected indirectly by the people, that means through their representatives in the parliament and the state assemblies. Moreover, in a public, political sovereignty is vested in the people rather than a monarch. Justice. The term justice in the preamble embraces three distinct forms: social, economic, and political, secured through various provisions of the fundamental and directive principles. Social justice in the preamble means that the Constitution wants to create a more equitable society based on equal social status. Economic justice means equitable distribution of wealth among the individual members of the society so that wealth is not concentrated in a few hands. Political justice means that all citizens have equal rights in political participation. Indian Constitution provides for universal adult suffrage and equal value for each vote. Liberty. Liberty implies that the absence of restraints or domination on the activities of an individual, such as freedom from slavery, serfdom, imprisonment, despotism, etc. The preamble provides for the liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality. Equality means the absence of privileges or discrimination against any section of the society. The preamble provides for equality of status and opportunity to all the people of the country. The Constitution strives to provide social, economic, and political equality in the country. Fraternity. Fraternity means the feeling of brotherhood. The preamble seeks to promote fraternity among the people, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Stop.